weather message. National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, eastern Ottawa County, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Kelly's Island and moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted the islands. Sandusky, this is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Ottawa.
Lonnie this year is just 2